One really good connection na talagang minahal din ng taong bayan is with Dustin. So, can you give us more about that? Kamusta na kayo ngayon outside the house? Nag-uusap pa din ba? Still the same?
Dustin and I were parang wala naman nagbago. The connection is still there, pero it's like bumalik lang talaga kami sa day one. It's like we're really getting to know each other again. So it's a very refreshing feeling. Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanya na parang ang sarap sa feeling na makilala siya ulit. We're happy. Like, ganun pa rin. Mag-duo pa rin outside.
Okay. Well, what do you mean mag-duo pa rin outside?
Mag-duo. Lang kami. Like, we're there for each other. I mean,
Okay.
yung laban naman, hindi naman siya nagtatapos sa loob ng bahay. Siyempre, we have a lot to face outside. I mean, we can't deny the fact rin naman na we can't please everybody. And I feel like out of all the people inside the house, siya yung pinaka-makakaintindi sa akin now that we're in this next chapter of our lives, of our careers. So it's nice to have someone to lean on up until the outside world.
And also, did you expect, to have a connection inside the house? Na-expect ko ba na you're gonna find, I don't know what you call it. Do you call it love, friendship, or ganun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya with Dustin? Sa love team nyo, which is yung Dust Bia.
Yes.
Dusty.
Honestly, nagulat po kaming dalawa because inside the house, hindi naman po talaga love team yung motive namin. So, whatever you guys saw, it wasn't meant to happen and hindi po talaga siya planado. So, ayun, nagulat po kami pareho na marami palang nagmamahal sa storya namin. Yes.
Were you able to read the comments about you guys? Sobrang daming kilig and
Not all. Ang nababasa ko pa lang so far are the good ones, the good comments about us. But I know there's definitely a bad side to it. Again, we can't please everybody. But when I do take time to read it, I'll try my best na I'll try my best not to get affected by it kasi alam naman po namin dalawa kung ano yung totoo sa hindi.
And also, you're gonna be working together. Ngayong paglabas, meron na ba mga may pwede ba tayong ibigay na clue sa ating mga fans?
I can't answer that pa right now, pero we're both excited to see what's in store for us.